Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to screenshot someone's BeReal post without them knowing. So as you can see, we're currently on BeReal discovery page. Now this is going to be exactly, the same page pretty much for your friends as well. So let's say you go to your friends, you have some of your friends, then here you will be able to go and screenshot their BeReal, right? Now, let's say you want to screenshot their BeReal, but you don't want them to know about it. What you can do is you can go here to this right here application and make sure to download it. This is private screenshot application, really great application for both Snapchat and BeReal. And you can open it. So once you open this application, what you can go to is you can go to the upper right corner where you can see the icon of a screenshot. Click on that and then click start now. Obviously I cannot start now because I'm currently recording already. So what you will do is you will click start now. You will go here to your BeReal and then you will go back to your friends. I'll go here to discovery just for the sake of this tutorial, and you will be able to screenshot with this app, which is pretty awesome, right? This is basically the app that allows you to have private screenshots, so no one will actually get notification with this screenshot app, right? If you screenshot with your phone like this, right, then you will be able, or they will be able to see who screenshotted their BeReal. But with this application, you won't be able to actually tell. So that's pretty much it. It's really simple. Again, if you have any questions, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.